is what we call open bidding. Open bidding evaluates companies competing. Asilimia mtaani wale ububu esente experience ni watu wake. So open bidding shall be adopted for all procurements and it is mandatory for all procurements whose values exceed 500,000.
For me, I'm going to overbase on the training opportunities available, because most of ours, as I mentioned, procurement, we have done a lot of, it's now a small percentage remaining. So as you can see, we have only garbage and septic tank treatment, and that is going to take place around, we're going to start around the April 2024. That's the only opportunity which is available, and I'm going to share with you the contacts if interested. And I'm going to base more on the training opportunities and the team, which are going to start between mid-March to June.
You have seen the magnitude of the investment that is being poured into the oil and gas sector, the billions of dollars. Okay. Of course, some of that is quite technical, that the international companies will do some of the work, but there are some services or some works that are ring-fenced, and they have been earmarked for Ugandan companies.
Yet we've trained more than 2,600 companies, and some of the companies that are being trained are now actually doing business in the sector. Then in regards to technology transfer, as part of our efforts to ensure that our Ugandan businesses grow, we usually encourage the companies to also sponsor some technology transfer and software and access to equipment.
I looked at that session, a part of training with the one guy who was presenting, and when I looked at the protective gears, I looked at that is where I fall, because you told us we pick what we can manage. I don't know where I should begin from, because we have set ourselves, like my training center is well set. We have a DIT center number with both modular and workers pass.
So we carried out a research. We keep on identifying a problem, where a problem is in the community when we are organizing this engagement. Then we write our concept to the company, and once that concept is, the idea is bought, then we focus on that specific area. Companies, enterprises, individuals in Albertine, how do they link up in oil and gas? So it was very, very difficult, our people here, to supply CNOOC directly or supply down there. So the whole instance was to bring the support down, the contractors down to the local people. They interface with them. They tell them what the possibilities whereby they can supply. And that's why we have been here, and that's why we have done it here at a local level, yes.
Okay.
Albertine, I think this has been of a kind, but similar to that has been taking place. Like we had one in Chukube, that one was more of linkages. Linking, specifically on linkages, but now this one was more of the opportunities that are available, and also breaking the barriers that are hindering these people to supply those contractors.
Kazi-Njema, online, live from Hoima City.